Most sustainable habits don't look eco at Albert. They quietly save you money every single day. They're the hidden systems that run your life. And today we're going to uncover 25 of them that reduce waste without you even trying. If you like practical, realistic sustainability that fits into your actual life, you're in the right place. Go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out on more habits that actually work. Let's start with the invisible daily habits most people overlook. First, wear your clothes at least twice before washing them, unless they're actually dirty. This simple change saves so much water, energy, and wear and tear on your fabrics. You'll be surprised how much longer your favorite shirts last. Number 2. Turn off your Wi-Fi at night. Not only does this cut down on that phantom energy use that adds up on your bill, but many people find it improves their sleep quality too. 3. And this is a big one for digital minimalists. Use a physical alarm clock instead of your phone. This helps you avoid starting and ending your day with screen time, which can extend your phone's battery life and your own mental peace. 4. Consolidate your errands into one trip on one day. Plan it out. This powerhouse habit cuts fuel costs, saves you a ton of time, and seriously reduces the chance for those little impulse buys that happen when you're out and about. Number 5. Set your screens, your phone, your laptop, your TV to auto-dim a little earlier in the evening. It's easier on your eyes and shaves a bit more off your energy consumption every single night. Now let's move on to Section 2. Clothing and personal care systems. These are all about making what you own last longer. Habit number 6 is to create a repair-first drawer. Just a small box with a needle, some thread, a few common button colors, and maybe some iron-on patches. Having these on hand makes small fixes a 5-minute job instead of a reason to buy something new. 7. Switch to fewer, but better, towels. You really don't need a dozen towels. A few high-quality ones that dry quickly mean less laundry, less water usage, and honestly, a much tidier linen closet. Number 8 is a great way to ease into a new routine. Use bar products for travel only. At first, if you're curious about shampoo or conditioner bars, but hesitant to switch, buy them for your next trip. It's a low-commitment way to try them out without feeling like you've wasted money if you do unlove them. 9 is a huge energy saver. Wash your clothes in cold water, on short cycles only. Unless you're dealing with really stubborn stains, cold water works just as well for most things. The energy used to heat water for laundry is one of the biggest hidden costs in a household. And number 10, own one designated at-home outfit. You know, that super comfy set of sweats or leggings you change into the second you walk in the door. This prevents you from wearing out and overwashing your nicer outside clothes. Alright. Section 3 is all about shopping psychology and breaking the cycle of mindless consumption. Habit 11 has been a game changer for me. Keep a want list on your phone instead of adding things to an online cart. When you see something you want, just jot it down. I guarantee that after a week, you won't even remember why you wanted 90% of those things. 12. Shop with a photo inventory. Before you go shopping for clothes or home goods, snap a quick picture of your closet or pantry. This visual reminder stops you from buying duplicates, like that 5th black t-shirt you definitely didn't need. 13. Make a rule to buy multi-use items only. Think a glass container that's good for baking, storing leftovers and packing lunch. Or a scarf that can be a wrap in the summer and an accessory in the winter. One item, multiple purposes. 14. Avoid trend-based purchases. Fast fashion trends are designed to have a short life cycle, which means they're designed to become waste. Sticking to timeless styles means your wardrobe will serve you for years, not just a season. And 15. A powerful habit. Delay all replacements by 30 days. When something breaks or runs out, challenge yourself to wait a month before replacing it. You'll often find you can live without it, find a creative workaround, or that it wasn't as essential as you thought. Let's talk about food, the source of so much potential waste. Section 4 is all about managing resource flow in your kitchen. Number 16. Plan your meals backwards, starting from what's about to expire. Look in your fridge, see that the spinach is wilting. That's what you're using for dinner tonight. This one habit can almost eliminate your food waste. 17. Eat the same lunch 3 days a week. This isn't about being boring, it's about efficiency. It reduces decision fatigue, simplifies your grocery list, and ensures you use up all the ingredients you buy for it. 18. Use a smaller cooking pot by default. We often grab a pot that's way too big for what we're making. A smaller pot uses less energy and often cooks your food faster. 19. Keep a dedicated leftover night each week. One night where the rule is no cooking. You have to creatively combine and eat whatever is left in the fridge. It's fun, it's easy, and it guarantees nothing gets forgotten in the back until it's too late. And 20. Store produce where you can see it. Out of sight is truly out of mind in the kitchen. Keep fruits in a bowl on the counter and veggies in the front of your fridge. Visibility is the key to preventing spoilage. Finally, let's zoom out to Section 5. Mindset shifts that make sustainability a long-term, stress-free part of your life. Habit 21 is to track your savings, not your sacrifices. Instead of focusing on what you're giving up, calculate the money you're saving from these habits. It's an incredibly powerful motivator. 22. Learn one new repair skill per year. 1 year, learn to patch a hole in a shirt. The next, learn how to fix a leaky faucet. These skills compound over a lifetime, saving you thousands of dollars and building incredible self-sufficiency. 23 is a philosophy: reduce choice, not comfort. You don't need 10 different brands of cleaning spray. Find one that works and stick with it. Fewer options lead to less waste and a calmer mind. 24. Choose boring sustainable. A lot of eco-trends are flashy and expensive, but true sustainability is consistent, simple, and often a little boring. Doing the same small things every day has a much bigger impact than one grand, perfect gesture. And our final habit, number 25. Focus on systems, not guilt. Sustainability should feel calm and empowering, not like another source of stress. If you miss a day or forget a habit, it's okay. The goal is to build gentle, effective systems that work for you, not to be perfect. Guilt is not a renewable resource. Even just 3 of these habits stick with you, you're already making a huge difference for your wallet and the planet. These small, smart systems are what create lasting change. If you enjoyed these practical eco-habits, make sure to subscribe for more tips that actually work. And let me know in the comments which one of these habits surprised you the most. Thanks for watching.